Wild celebrations in Barcelona as Spain's richest region declares independence. Catalonia's flags raised.
Super happy, super excited.
This dream is my grandfather's dream.
History made by a vote in the Catalan parliament. Lawmakers singing their anthem in their own Catalan language. But within minutes, Spain hit back. Its parliament voting to strip all power from Catalonia. Spain's prime minister denouncing independence as a criminal act. The Catalan leader now facing arrest. Spanish riot police, sent in once this month to stop an independence vote, are standing by. Amid today's tears, fears of violence. Millions of Catalans don't want independence. Europe and the US oppose it. The State Department tweeting, "Keep Spain united." But it's a fractured country. Spain tonight entering dark, unknown territory. Bill Neely, NBC News.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.